Dear students, the last class we have seen about differences between compound and mixture. So in this video we are going to learn about types of mixtures. Most of the substances that we use in our daily life are mixtures. In some, we will be able to see the components with our naked eyes, but in most others the different components are not visible. Based on this, types of mixtures can be classified into two categories. They are homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous classified into two categories. They are true solutions and alloy. Heterogeneous mixtures can be classified into two categories. They are suspensions and colloids. Here homogeneous. Homo means only one. Hetero means more than one. So in this type of mixtures, there are two categories. First one is homogeneous mixture. Already I said homo means one, only one. So homogeneous mixture means in the solution there will be only one layer. What is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the components can be seen separately is called a homogeneous mixture. It has a uniform composition and every part of the mixture has the same properties. For example, salt solution. Look at here. This is example for homogeneous mixture. So in this glass, I have taken water. Now I am going to add salt. Now I am mixing. Students, see, this is, first of all I took water in this tumbler, then I added salt. Now you see how many layers are there? Only one layer, isn't it? So in homogeneous mixture, the components cannot be seen separately. See, here I added salt in the water. Are you able to see salt? No. So the salt mixed with water and it looks like only one layer. So the components cannot be seen separately in this mixture. So this is known as homogeneous mixture. And the next one is next we are going to learn about heterogeneous mixture. So I am taking another one tumbler. I took water in this tumbler. Now I am going to pour oil. Watch it carefully. Look at here. How many layers are there? 1, 2. Here you are able to see the components, isn't it? But in homogeneous mixture, With water I added salt, but with our naked eye we can't able to see the components. It looks only one layer, isn't it? It mixed properly and it looks only one layer. The components are not visible. Here with water I added oil. The components are visible to our eyes. So this is, here it contains more than one layer. So this is example for this water in oil, example for heterogeneous mixture. And next we are going to learn about the two categories of homogeneous, that is true solutions. Next one, alloy. What is true solutions? True solutions is an homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances dissolved in solvent. So in this mixture solvent is water. So here two or more substances dissolved in solvent. This is known as true solution. For example, sugar with water. See, I am taking another one tumbler. What is true solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Here I am going to add two substances. First one, salt. And second substance, I am going to add sugar. Now look at this mixture. In water I added two substances, namely salt and sugar. Are you able to see the salts and sugar in this solution or in this mixture? No. Here components cannot be seen separately, isn't it? So this is known as true solutions. So finally, true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances dissolved in solvent. Next one, alloy. What is meant by alloy? A metal made by mixing two types of metal together. For example, brass. Brass is made up of copper and zinc. Whatever may be any other two elements or atoms or two metals combined together to form a compound or substance is known as alloy. So example for alloy is brass, because brass contains copper and zinc. Then the next one, we are going to learn about the two categories of heterogeneous mixture, namely suspensions and colloids. What is meant by suspensions? Suspension is an heterogeneous mixture containing large particles that will settle on standing. For example, sand with water. Look at here. I am taking water in this glass tumbler. Now I am going to add sand. See, just wait 1 minute. I am mixing thoroughly. Let's wait for a minute. See, This is the heterogeneous mixture of suspension. This is the suspension mixture. So suspension mixture is nothing but it is a heterogeneous mixture containing